My name is Timberly Gonzales and I'm in the welding program at WCCC. I've been there for about 2 years now and hopefully going to graduate in about a year. What I liked about it actually was how nice the instructors are there. Bill Campbell is my advisor/instructor. He's really nice, he understands people, he will talk to you person to person and give you something straightforward instead of beating around the bush. He talks straightforward to you and being like, hey, this is not going to work, or you need to do this in order to succeed. Learn for Less initiative helped me be able to focus on school instead of money, and to be able to go into the trade of welding. When it's more affordable, I would try and go for it. I wouldn't hold back. The Learn for Less initiative should really put your eye out there and be like, it's more affordable, might as well go into a trade.